20 grams of protein
in 1 scoop of this healthy desserts.
It's not a clickbait, we will give this amazing recipe to you. Let's begin.
Protein ice cream is a great way to indulge in a sweet treat while still getting the benefits of protein.
Here's a simple recipe for making protein ice cream at home.
Ingredients: 2 cups unsweetened almond milk, or any milk of your choice.
2 scoops of vanilla protein powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract.
1 tablespoon sweetener of your choice, honey, maple syrup, stevia. Optional, toppings such as berries, nuts, or chocolate chips.
Instructions.
In a blender, combine the almond milk, protein powder, vanilla extract, and sweetener.
Blend until well combined.
Pour the mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions.
Alternatively, pour the mixture into a shallow baking dish and freeze for 30 minutes.
Once the ice cream is frozen, use a fork to break it up into small pieces.
Blend the pieces in a food processor or blender until smooth and creamy.
Transfer the ice cream to a container and freeze for another 1 to 2 hours, or until firm.
When ready to serve, scoop the ice cream into bowls and add your desired toppings.
Enjoy your delicious and nutritious homemade protein ice cream.